team that I think could easily go to the Western Conference Finals. This is a team that could easily lose in the first round of the playoffs.
All you really want is a chance. We feel like the front office has given us a great chance with this roster. Really excited about the moves we made.